Build your own track lighting system. Track lighting is an easily customizable lighting solution, one that can be installed as a DIY job in office spaces, workrooms and hobby spaces, and more. We're at a Lamps Plus Doors track lighting display that explains how to put together your own system. Let's get into it. Choose your track head. Let's start by selecting track head lights. Most are LED these days, meaning the light source will last for years with no need for the time-consuming bulb changes. Look for adjustable track heads so you can aim and direct light as needed. You can mix and match colors and finishes, light type, and more. In general, you'll want to place track heads on track every 12 to 24 inches. You can place lights closer together for a specific use, such as lighting a work area, but keep them at least 4 inches apart. Choose your track. Select your track depending on the size of the room and features you'd like to illuminate. Tracks come in 2, 4, and 8-foot lengths and can be configured in a wide range of shapes and sizes. Choose a power feed option. There are 3 ways to power your track. 1, if you have a junction box near where you want your track installed, you can use a live-in feed to go directly into the box. 2, if the box is not near where you want your track, you'll want to use a floating canopy, which installs anywhere on the track. You run your electrical feed from the junction box to the canopy, and that provides power. 3, there are power feeds that just plug in, helpful for use in wall installations. Select connectors. With a connector, you can add length to tracks, turn corners, or branch out in any direction. For example, a T connection splits the track run into 2 new lengths. L-shaped connectors make a right angle turn. And there are specialized pieces like flexible accordion connectors for creating soft bends. The manufacturer matters. It's important to know that the components from the one brand will not fit on another brand system, unless otherwise stated. So, check compatibility and brand before you buy. And there you have it! Now you can plan out your own custom track lighting system. We've got more about track lighting at lampsplus.com. And for more tips, follow us. We'll light the way.